Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Some days all you need is something warm and comforting, like this simple Rava Bhakri made with everyday ingredients. In a bowl add half cup of semolina, half cup of grated coconut, 3 tablespoons of chopped sugarcane jaggery or as per your taste, half teaspoon of salt, mix well. Add 1/4 cup of warm water gradually and mix after every addition. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Mix well. Cover with a plate and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now mix well. Gather the dough together. Apply clarified butter on a hot tawa. Place the dough on the tawa and spread like this. The flame should be medium. Smoothen it using a spatula. Apply clarified butter. Cover with a lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Apply clarified butter. Flip it. Cover with a lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Then switch off the flame and transfer the bhakri onto a plate. And it's ready. Serve it warm. And its taste, it's yummy. You will grab another slice even before you finish the first. This is that kind of recipe when you want something quick, filling and comforting. There's no loud flavors, no fancy ingredients, just a quiet recipe that fills you up with warmth. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.